going to show you this 5-gallon bucket seat cushion from WarBull and some of the benefits that it has to offer. Let's take a look. This bucket seat cushion is made of high density polymer plastic and can support up to 350 pounds. It has a nice 1.9 inch memory foam cushion so you can sit on it all day long, and includes a nice carrying handle so you can take it anywhere you want. Installation of this bucket seat cushion is quite simple. It's got a nice lip around here that sits perfectly over the ring of your 5-gallon bucket and will fit most buckets that are out there today in the 5-gallon size. Just simply place it over the top, line it up, and press down, and it'll lock into place. This bucket seat cushion is 360-degree swivel, which is really a nice feature. The swivel feature of this bucket seat cushion is a little bit stiff at first, but the more that you use it, it'll work in and start to swivel much easier after a few uses. Another nice benefit with this seat cushion is a Rainfly cover is included with it. It's a nice elastic band around it, so you just simply put it over the top. Now with the seat cushion Rainfly on, you can use it in any type of weather. This bucket seat cushion is ideal for any situation where you'd have to kneel or bend over for long periods of time. This will be a lot nicer for your back, and your knees will thank you for it later. You can use this seat cushion for hunting. It's easy to take out into the field and carry with you anywhere. It can also be used for fishing, whether ice fishing or summertime fishing out at the banks alongside the rivers or streams. This cushion is also perfect for any landscaping needs around your house. Whether you're out in the field hunting, by the lakeside fishing, maybe working on your vehicles, to landscaping or any type of sporting events, the seat cushion is the perfect solution. If you guys are interested in the seat cushion from WarBull, I'll leave a link in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.